possum. Hello possum, where you gone? Where you gone, possum? Where you gone, possum? Are you dead somewhere on the road, somewhere in Tassie crossing? Did you cross the wrong country? Did you cross the wrong road? Did you cross the wrong road? Did you snap? Did you snap? Did you squash? Did you squash your bong out? Are you flat on the road somewhere in Tassie out there? Where you gone, bongo? Where you gone, bongo? Rapper, please come back. A pain, man. Pain is luck. Pain is luck. I'll rattle you up. I'll rattle you up. Buttercup, buttercup. I'll butter you up. I'll butter you up. Butter you up. I'll butter you up. You're sweet. Oh, you're sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. You're so sweet. You're so precious. I'll pedal. I'll pedal. Pedal back, pedal back, pedal back, pedal. Back pedal, back pedal. Where's pedal, pedal? Where you gone, baby? Gone, bongo. Where you gone? When we back? Nobody special. Got nothing special. Nothing new. Nobody special. Something new for you. Nobody special, something new for you, huh? A few months back, you fucking, you fuck with me, you wanna battle me, huh? Wanna battle me? I can't rap who the fuck is nobody special. You're nobody, you're nothing, you're irrelevant, huh? You're irrelevant, your name says it all, you fucking, you dumb cunt, you're furry little man, you're furry little man, huh? You're furry little gronk rat, where's it gone, man? Gone like my lighter, mate, gone like my lighter, mate.
Morning, Pee-wee.
Well, Francis.
Today is my birthday, and my father said I can have anything I want.
Good for you and your father.
So guess what I want? A new brain.
You know what I like, mate? I dream, I fucking dream. It'd be supreme, a dream to be a miracle, it'd be a miracle, maybe a miracle, maybe a wildest dream, you know wildest dream. Wildest dreams, it appears, supposedly. Wombats come back, zombies come back, when they're dead, zombies come back, haha. They'll die, they'll die, and they'll turn the end, Zombies die, Breaking Bad, he broke bad, he's taken off, he's blown away, that's like a plastic bag, where Wombat gone? Where you gone, Wombat? Wombat says, warming up, I'm blowing up, I'm dusting off me old fucking shorty, that's not me old shorty, Wombat feeds got me, Wombat feeds got me, Wombat season got me out of the corner, out of the corner. Wombat season, will you please bear with me, I'm a fucking old man, I'm 44, 42, I need teeth, just bear with me. I talk a little fast, I'm almost mumble, man, I got no teeth in my fucking silly ass. My silly ass, I went all torn out, no, I ain't no crackhead cat, it ain't from drugs, just smash them all out. Smash them all out nice. Smash them all out nice, many accidents, my past, I got hard life. You'd be better off trying to swim the Tasmanian bite. Bring swim the Tassie, what's it called? The Tasmanian gap, the bite, what's it called? The gap, the bite, the gap, the trench, the gap, trench. What is it? It's like, what do you call it? Separation from a nation. Termination, no. You fucked it up. Everything, extermination. Fuck you, Wombat. Where's Wombat? Where's it gone, Grat? Where's it gone, Grat? Gone. Where's it gone, Grat? Gone. Should I run? Should I cry? Should I beg? Should I post myself in a box and look at the cup myself? My golden eye open on my forehead. My five arms. Shiva, shanty. Live in a shanty shack out in the fucking hills in Tassie. You're afraid of task. You heard a few, you even heard shit. You read a few bars, you read a few bars. You read a few bars and you shit, you darted, you bought, where you gone, of course, where you gone. I wanna share about you. You judged me from the start, from a few words I asked you about respect, and you made a fuck, what's it called? You made a judgment, a social calculation, a big guess, cunt, you dickhead, you got me wrong, you got me wrong, you dumb cunt, you're a fucking wrong, you're wrong. I got my shit to set now, let me just warm up, you're fucking man, Lean tune, fucking who are you? How you been fucked up since you nappy, dickhead? Dickhead, what's the time, dickhead? Hey, what's the time over there? That's the real country you live in. What's it called? Maz. What do you call mate? Where you live, mate? I'm gonna be the best in this country. Sorry to say cunt, you dumb cunt, man. Have you ever heard of Dundee? You ever heard of Dundee? I think you come from the same country you do. Dundee, you dumb cunt, you dumb goose. That's who you're compared to, you fool. Dundee, you can't touch Dundee. Dundee, you feel like without even trying. Without even fucking trying. done these shits all over you. Please, I think complete with you two. Complete, you douche, you talk about cracker, you putting every kind of crackhead in. There's influence under there, can't you see, dude? I can see from a mile away, dude, there's influence under there. You might not do it now, but yeah, there's influence, man. It's not be permanent fried, it might be permanent fried. Like I said, bear with me, you might not hear me, I've got no teeth in my head, teeth in my head, but I've got fucking million words inside my mind. Million words inside my mind. I follow facts head, tack it all together, dickhead. Follow facts head, doing the dots to dots. Who's the monster? I say, who's the cross? Who's the sleeping monster? Dickhead went and crossed. Super went and crossed. Heart, what the fuck? You knob. You big knob. Yeah, you big knob. Deja vu.
Morning, Pee-wee.
Look, Francis.
Today is my birthday, and my father said I can have anything I want.
Good for you and your father.
So guess what I want? A new brain.
Yeah, pinky in the brain. So, Wombat, what are we doing today? Same thing as always, 420. It's our plan to take over the world. You know, take over the world. Take over the world. Who's that crossing my fucking bridge? Who's not crossing that bridge? You fucking crook. Oh, you mistook the leak. You leaked before you look. You leaked before you look. You shoot the can. Motherfucker in the mail, you can look. I send you a metaphor, I'll post you a box. It's in box with inverted gold cross with task written right across. You go from the top to find a big ball, twisted tangle of fucking rusted hooks. The rusted hooks, the bottom a beat would drop. Task, you become attack. Hop attack, sumo sucker punch, sumo touch from the box, Pandora's box. There's no love lost in war, life in war, your life being war, that's what you project, it's in sport, force of sport, can you think before you write sport, can you still hold a pen, can you return man, can't you even dead, zombie man, you're coming back to task, remember what you said, oh baby now, you got a wife, you got a kid, you got a wife, have you got a wife yourself, fuckhead, what, nice, have you got kids, dickhead, dipshit, what you talking about, wanker? You talking about Mr. Palmer and the 2 daughters, 5 daughters, can't come across task and get slaughtered. Have you got a magic word? Have you got a secret word? Have you got a key word? What's it called? What's it called with the gimp? What they call with the gimpy chimp? Gimpy chimp. The dark and half task and move the darkest part of your park, dragging Wombat. The grunk rat screaming his furry ass.
Is that Robbie? Can we cook him?
We can try.
Yeah, we can try. What's your taste feel like? Yeah, how do we cook the Wombat? Pass the question round in the campfire. How do you like the Wombat? Deep fried, buried in cold, cooked alive. How you like him, mate? You like him? Cooked with his gut still in, so you like a bubble in. It tastes like open and it goes pop. And all the juices come out and goes soaking with the fat. All the stuff you want. All the juices is like cooking a big fish head with the brain still in, all the guts still in, so all the juices are cooked just sweet. It's the fucking thing, Ooh. Motherfucker, you dumb, can't you hear the task, I can't even spark me, the rapping is the pain, danger, you picked up a hanger runner, hang on a second, fuck it, I'm just sitting down in my bed right now, smoking bombs, and you fuck, you dickhead, I'm in the room, you fucking bored, there's nothing on the TV, you grog rat, goose, so my attention's turned to you, my attention's turned to you, it's all because of you dickhead. You crack the atom, what you did, you crack the atom. You offended me, you offended me about a calling bit of that respect, crack the atom, Sumo sucker punch, wind them up, can't let me the fuck out of them, sumo sucker punch, sumo fucker punch, you broke rat, you dumb dust. Oh wow, man, you inbred cunt over there, what you do for fun, you fuck everyone, your family, your sister's your family, we want you got a sister, I'll persist, the truth is, Sumo sucker punch for a grunk rat, zombie cat, they can't even come back, they're the dumb rat. So much for zombies come back, they break bad. Now they're even dead, they're walking dead, they're dickheads. Even dead, Wombat dead in the head, Wombat walk, Wombat talk, Wombat spits, Wombat you dip shit. Is Wombat sleep? I wonder if Wombat sleeps, no dickhead. What sleeps in Wombat? Dickhead, you grunk rat, you as if you want to stay on the stage, the way you do, you got no hook, it's the same fucking way every time. So you spit the same shit. Same fucking way. Can you change looks? You got different styles. You got different styles. It's the same fucking one. Mad shit, cunt. You're stagnant. Stagnant. Tough badness. Multiple skills to build your mouth a million. Come through Chris Brazil, cunt. You shave, you run up to your wedgie until you're in Brazil. I tell you're in Brazil, motherfucker. Mine's a hill. Mine's an ant hill. Mine's an ant hill with a bit of whack. What's a bit of whack? Google your whack, can't you chat? What's a bit of whack? Deja vu.
Morning, Pee-wee.
Look, Francis.
Today is my birthday, and my father said I can have anything I want.
Good for you and your father.
So guess what I want? A new brain.
Yeah, a new brain. I want a new fluffy toy to play. I want myself a voodoo doll too. I want a voodoo doll too. Fluffy, funny one that looks just like you. I'll hug him, I'll kiss him, I'll squeeze him, I'll hug him, I'll kiss him, I'll squeeze him, I'll hug him, I'll kiss him, I'll squeeze him. Nah, before I chuck him. So, motherfucker, before I chuck him. Come on, what the fuck you at Wombat? Come on, be your fucking whack shit. You're like a shark. Helic wrapped around an axis. You're like a shark free helic wrapped around an axis. Do you get that shit? You're dark fantastic. You're like a shark helic you're wrapped around an axis. What's an axis? Well, he what's an accident? Play an accident. Task getting speed, not really. I'm just dropping out. This is just me. Fuck around, nothing on the TV. Where you gonna go, bro? Fucking boys, a tablet, a phone, a Bluetooth speaker, a tablet and a phone, and a fucking Bluetooth speaker. Sitting on the bed being a dumb goose, can't speak, you do a fuckwit, you can't speak. How many tracks you made fuckwit? Oh my god, what I got on my phone's pretty what you made all together, you gone crack your own. My phone's been deleting shit by itself on its own. Freestyles will go for over an hour, half it's gone, vanished. Bit like you.
Robert?
Can we cook him?
We can try.
He wouldn't make more than a mouthful, not when he's skinned and boned. Small boulder hobbits round these parts.
Where's there any more wombats around these parts? Is there any more wombats around these parts?
Meddling kid.
Where's Wombat? Where's he gone?
Kid. And it would have been meddling kid.
What does that no-cow figure's doing?
I'm doing the only right thing. I'm stopping you.
You fool! You've seen your little match for me.
I might just be a pothole on the road to you, big guy, but it's going to be one heck of a deep pothole. Take this, you! Try beam!
I've never seen this unite. The sounds unhurt by fucking canines. Canines. They grip minds and twist like a Chinese burning grey fire. Terrified cunts run from me or the cunts. Please don't love me neither, don't love me neither. Oh my god, how cast a preacher. They send the fucking 421 piggy, 421 piggy and piggy. Come set on me. They can't reach me, they're gonna fucking handcuff my hands to my feet again. Handcuff my hands to my feet again. What power, where it come from, cunt? Oh my god, where's the love come from, cunt? Don't watch me from above, every cunt watch me like a dunce, you watch me like a dunce. Motherfuckers, you gotta try and care, cunt. Oh, we gotta get my bone. Qualifications, don't shit me. I'm a master of that hand, bitch to make $3 grand. Who the fuck are you? Task THC, not task, not THC no more. I'm sorry, I got fucking in an argument with Motor. He's a gronk. Motor's a whack cunt. Yeah, I respect the crew, but yeah, Motor, go GMU and THC no more, THC no more. Much respect to the brother Chore. Me and Chore go way back, way before Mo, way before ever. Cram the cunt into bars, big words, they hurt more. Sonic boom, cunt, you get torn. Where's Wombat, boy, where's Wombat, you're gone. Who the fuck?
What's up, Wombat, Wombat, I got so much shit you ain't seen, what's up,
Wombat, where you going, Wombat, you're gone, come back, you'll be back, where you gone, Where the fuck is Wombat, man, you're gone again. Before I ever fucking met Motor, I met Chore. I met Chore for sure. You saw me at fucking schoolies. You saw me at schoolies getting into a punch on $1,000 a month, man.
Oh, where the fuck did Wombat go? Where's Wombat gone? Where's Wombat gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's Wombat gone? Yeah, what about now? Who the fuck is nobody special? Nobody special. The rising rebel. Oh my god. Where you at? Wombat? You're gone. Where you gone? Can I understand your motherfucking apprehension, you dumb shit, dance cunt. You know, I can fucking jackpot pay out like for life like the pension. I understand your apprehension. I've been pens. Understand your apprehension. Task me jackpot, go feature and pay out for life like the pension. I'll feature in. I'll feature in. Fish into a tiny box and chop up all the bits and yeah, goes in. Slice your roof in.
Yeah, means I love you, a soul of me, no, means I love you, ho. I love you, ha, no, ho, I don't, ha, no, ho, I don't. Ha, hoes before brothers before hoes. I've got no brothers, speak on me, I'm a ghost.
Wombat's taking cover. He's discovered another cunt, an underground cunt, never been heard, uncovered. He's discovered Wombat's taking cover, he's uncovered. An underground cunt, no one's heard, called Tassie, he's uncovered, don't run for cover. Wombat, brother, you got no hook, yeah. Staggering style, no hook, you just speak twice, you fucking angry, yeah, it's not a rant, it's just rant. You personify the word rant, it's the same one. You hear one track, you say it all, same again, it's all same. There's no change, you can't change story, there's no fucking hook. There's no hook. Look, but you caught something, you got a miggle. Look. Yeah, look, you're going for it. Look, headless shook, look, the megaloo.
Slender man,
here I am.
Slender man, so I'm flashback to days back in my friend. I remember mum didn't care, I wasn't fed. Oh my god, what's wrong with my head? People follow me. Oh my god, every day people follow me. Everyone goes,
people follow me. Except Wombat, obviously people follow me. Wombat's done the other way. He's died, mate. Wombat gone, he's gone. Zombie. He smells flesh, he's dead, gone. He smells flesh, he died, he smells flesh. Hi, once you get fed, he died from task, shit, he's dead. All crunched up, with no fucking microphone now. This ain't no booper, tiger. Always got a tooth, never a toothless. Where the fuck you going, Wombat? Go back. Dumb shit, you think you're going to fuck with. Bored. Task. When you're a baby, I was on the streets doing pieces on myself, doing pieces out, show again the streets, all by myself, with mixed paint that I ganked. The toys at home were sleeping there, free press shirts, back then, I had bars coming in my head, I was a rapper in my head, predictions, dickhead, you are moving slow, you don't know, rolling ball,
Oh, I'm not in here around country like talking about gays. I'm talking about gays righteous indignation. Oh my god, fucking shit, man. I'm fucking gay and I'm being abused. Juvenile detention, I'll be fucked up still, can't I?
Golden full, golden fleece, you fucking shit, golden fleece. Oh, you get Sean. Golden fleece, you don't count, you get Sean, you get Sean.
Let me fuck for life, let me fuck for clean out white ball and chain, ball and chain.
Corn, where you going? Slow down, I've got nothing else to say, I'm running out of words. I'm running out of words, Wombat. I've got nothing to say. Yeah, right. You're right, boy. Dickhead. Where the fuck were you born? You get off that on, you sit there smoking the time. What, you think you're gonna get rich in the time? Oh man, you're gonna live hard, you're gonna retire young, It is gonna be a war. Every time wants to be a rapper, you're gonna be hard, you're gonna drop off, you're gonna be still there in 10 years, you're gonna drop off. Is it far? Is it yellow? For your heart? Yeah, is it a heart? Is it your image? You're doing this for? You're doing it for fans? Selling your merch? Fuck, you want cash in there? Roll, mate, man, roll your ball, cash, stick it in your asshole, stick it in your ass with your stash. It's your rip massive, with your fucking asshole with your stash. Your stash is right. You fucking dickhead, you're a passive, talk to Jeff, you're a passive. You're gonna be the best in this country, you dumb shit. Who's that crossing my bridge, smoke? Who's that crossing my fucking bridge? Who's that crossing my bridge? Ace up my sleeve, dickhead, ace up my sleeve. Sorry, please come back to me. Wombat, say something to me. Crack a beer, watch the phone, watch me explode. Hit me explode, watch me explode. Reload, watch me reload. Watch me go. Fucking me.
What's your name? Oh my god, just tangled in a fucking ball in a bill. Shit was going off the fake room and crap. You fucking go back and dig back your bomb back, come back and chat. You come back and make me piss, please. I need this shit, man. That was so mad, it made me angry. Not really made me angry, it was fucking funny. You done hunting everything, well, it was really coming. It was just kind of tried to burn anyway. Oh, baby, now he says, do you ever wipe a kid, you talk shit, you ever wipe a kid, say, right, Mr. Palmer, 5 daughters. She became a torture, she was a reporter.
She's a reporter to the RSPCA.
You say you fucking out, straight animal. You're ready to do you're a cannibal. Of course, the RSPCA. RSPCA, not need to be in danger for your health.
Fucking danger for your health. Cast the hunter, cast the poacher. I'm gonna coach.
I'm gonna call you RSPCA. Report myself all grey. Report myself all grey. Shame my stupidity, just give me a demonstration. Watch me demonstrate, eliminate a Wombat. Who the fuck's the Wombat? The Wombat. Double chat. Give bitch slap, sumo subway, bitch slap. Knock it down, sumo palm, sucker punch, sumo palm. Sucker punch, sumo palm. Refreshes on the dexters, the fucking ambidextrous. Successfully collected ambidextrous red shit. Successfully collected one ambidextrous tags on red shit. Backward mounted, backflip, came backwards tags, they eat toys for breakfast. Anti-dyslexic share up toys backwards, ripped passes backwards, repeats it backwards, and eat toys for breakfast. Ripped the dyslexic style. Smile across the door. Quick the money. This figure, this member. I take arms, I take limbs, I take limbs, you got balls in your chest, can't balls in your chest, you got plenty on your chin. And that goes the beat.
You got plenty on your chin.
You walking your dog in a...
Swing it towards the next lords. Swim with thanks swords on a broadsword. Heads will fall and roll. Heads will fall, can't have been told. Ha ha, who's crossing that bridge? Fuck you, Wombat. Who's crossing my bridge? I'll pass you. Who's crossing my pass you? What's it good for you? Ha, you fool, you goose. You goon. Who's ocean wisdom? Fuck ocean wisdom in my fucking river. In my provision. In my exclusives. Yeah. God, boy, who the fuck is? Potion system. Potion system. Yeah, potion, make resistance. Fucking in the ocean. Swim on, you're a ghost cut. You're a dipshit, you're a dipshit. Pebble in the pond, pebble in that fucking pond. Ain't doing shit, so I ain't recording this. It's two devices. I come to a night, I like shit. I'll come and watch it, and you use 2 devices with a speaker. And fuck me, I ain't no preacher. I'm your cunt, I'm what you seek, I'm what you seek, I'm what you see, what you want, now you don't want it. You're gone. fucking gone like a fucking powder dust. You're from the top. Where you gone, buttercup? Where you gone? Get up, score, buttercup. It's all fucking creation. It's all creation. And a character test. And a character test. All connection to the mind. Battle of the mind. Battle of the mind. Battle of the mind. Where's Eminem? He's the guy I want. He's now fucking Eminem. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one. You're the top of mine. Top of my list. Eminem's below you. Would you believe it's true? I don't believe Eminem. I'm not worried about him. He's a goose. Oh, I'm not worried about him. He's a goose. I'll chew him up, spit him out, spit him out. He would melt in my hands. I don't worry about my mouth. Fuck the car. I love to have that stupid gun secretly quiet in my house. All the neighbours would notice you got a crowd behind him. You got a crowd. He's going, by John, you can't watch to take a photo. You probably rock up in a Bugatti. The stupid retarded. Turn up and stab it on the roof in a fucking Bugatti. Who's that kind of task his house in a fucking Bugatti? Oh my god, he's wearing a burqa, but we know someone important. Yeah, no,
someone important. No, ain't someone important. Ain't someone important. I ain't talking about Wombat now, of course I ain't sure. He's not reassuring, it's not reassuring, huh? It's not reassuring. It's not reassuring, motherfucker. You get a sword, you get a sword. You get a sword, you get a sword, huh? You gotta be. You're a big lovely shit. You're a big lovely shit.
I can come out, nothing exposed, you, nothing exposed all over the face. Tusk is exposed, you got a heart. I found you got a heart, so you got to hide, so you got to hide, so you got to hide your eyes, son. I suppose you got a heart. Oh my god, such a fierce, such a fierce, such a fierce. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Yeah? Such a fierce, such a fierce. Oh, brother. Ooh, shift on my feet, come eggs, shift on my feet. Oh, I crushed your wedding, I fucking big slap this room, I'm gonna get cunt, I'm the elephant in the room.
It's true.
No man, the big man cry with a broken rib. I'm breaking every single fucking one you read. It's true.
Your shoes ain't Wombat get
I'm telling you, I'm telling the whole fucking story. All day, every time I get to get a right back in.
Hey, you're boring, you're boring. Rip all day, rip all day.
Motherfucker.
House of spades.
House of spades. House of spades. Bump to your door, man. I'm fucking beat this shovel.
Beat you, shovel. Master peel. Sugar peel, no, Wombat's peeling, the onion's peeling. Yeah, Wombat get torn purple. Wombat's got a dildo in his burrow. For my soup, he's got a dildo in his burrow. Ooh.
Some mums have got dildos in their cupboard. Most mothers have got a dildo in their cupboard. Some mothers have got a bigger one than others.
I think some marsupials have got a big dildo in their burrow. If you hear buzzing come up from a burrow, I wouldn't go in there if I were you. You'll hear buzzing, you'll hear a wombat marsupial with a big dildo in his burrow. Some wombats have dildos and they love it. The marsupials are the biggest ones of all, and I think they love it. With a suction cap and a ball gag, oh, they love it. Wombats, some wombats have dildos in their burrow.
Oh my god, record rewind.
Walk
around the street, I think of like Jesus. At home, I gotta do that on the cupboard. I gotta get home, plus my nigga love it. A few moments taken, I'll get buzzed. Suction cups are gonna love it right now. I'm fucking around, I ain't trying to figure out my funds, I'm not buying to do it all. I ain't seen no dick deal, I ain't seen no dick deal. Had a deal.
Wombat, tell you I'm like a skill, my God.
I'm from what you call that.
You got skill, my God. Wombat, tell my God. He's a big boy.
Oh no, this got wrecked.
He's a big boy.
I did yes. What words did you think yes? What words did you think yes? Oh, my mother fucking stupid, yes. My mother called me stupid. I come up thinking I was useless. Thought I was useless. The cup's half empty. I thought it was half empty. The fucking cup was empty. It was completely empty. There was no life. I wasn't a good cup. I was a scone.
I got dropped on my scone.
I'm always running if I was a demon.
Wombat, where you from? Where you from?
Where does hatred come from?
Where does Wombat come from?
Where does hatred come from? Oh my god.
And why is this such a wrong?
Give me a song, talk to us in your fucking lullaby. Lullaby, so hold by, stay by, lullaby. Stay by, lullaby, and cry. I'm starving my life, I'm starving my life. And please change my nappy, I know why. I've got a butt rash, I've got butt rashes, I'll kiss, I miss you. I'm falling down the stairs, really side, please, please ship me. Before I died, really died twice, I went to the hospital, please, they show the paperwork to me. Yeah, written paperwork, really died before day 81. You dumb cunt, you're irresponsible mum. Who the fuck do you think I damaged my son, you cunt? I damaged my son, the cunt, who's the fucking irresponsible mum? You got no heart, you got no conscience. You got no conscience, you got no fucking conscience. You got a bungee down,
I'm really sorry, I apologise here, I tell you, you fucking got that. You're obnoxious. I find you obnoxious.
Robert? Can we cook him?
We can try.
Yeah, we can try. Wombat will close his eyes.
We cook him.
We cook him.
A burglar, Robert?
Can we cook him?
We can try.
He wouldn't make more than a mouthful. Not
Burglar, Robert? Burglar, Robert?
Can we cook him?
I don't know. With the dirt on the way, I wriggles around. A burglar, Robert? Burglar, Robert? We can try.
He wouldn't make more than a mouthful. Not when he's skinned and boned. Can we cook him?
Yeah, stop and change, man. Oh man, you only gave me $2. You gave me $2 for opinion. Oh, you gave me 5 cents of opinion. Shitty bar. You can't one hidden task, you dumbass. Yeah, you gave me 2 fucking shitty opinion. You gave me 5 cents of opinion. Oh, actually it was $2. What's it called? You chugged in your $2 cents worth, you dickhead, you skirt. $2 worth in a comment, it hurt, it didn't hurt. Tell you what, dickhead, what you deserve. That $2 comment was not much. No, it didn't amount to much, man. It wasn't very heavy, it didn't make shit, man. It was shit, it was cheap. Tell you what, cunt, here's a change, here's my fucking 2 cents back for you, you fucking douche. This is just a cent, a couple of cents for you, fuck a cent for you to take in. Take it in, dickhead. Take it in, you fucking wanky dickhead, Out chasing dollars, motherfucker. I give you a few cents, you dickhead. Look before you leap, cunt. Look before you leap. Think before you leap. No, everyone's fucking everyone's whack. Everyone's toy. There's sleepers out there. Be weak, there's peepers out there. No, there's peepers out there. Beware. You dickhead. Where you been? Where do you rest your head? Is it a lifelong home? You live there all your life, you've been in one life, I don't know much about your life, you say you've been fucked up and smacking and fuck with. Tell me how you are, how's it been, just exactly. I want to hear some experience, you fuck with. You dickhead. You know, everyone listens to you, most of the kids have got a fucking opinion, they're getting influence from you. What's he going to talk about you? You're talking about it's the smell of death, warrior. It's the smell of death, dickhead. You want to threaten me? People are going to make you piss? Yeah, right, you fucking piss, dickhead. That night, I really turned over, and shit myself in bed, dickhead. Porridge on your sheets, fuck it. Custard on your face. Mayonnaise in your back, fuck with your whack. Mayonnaise in your back, hit me back, you toy. Where you at? Peace out, motherfucker. Peace out. No, peace out for you.
We can try.
You can try.
Can we cook him? Can we cook him? Can we cook him?
We can cook him. Deja vu. Wombat, will you look at you? You think you got your hands over your eyes? I can't see you. You sort of can't hide in the bush. I'm hiding behind a tree. If I swap on the tree, you see my big belly. My eyes can't see him. So of course, he can't see me.
Throwing round these parts might be enough for a boy.
It's too quick.
Gotcha. Over any more of you little...
Yeah, well, I do. And he's tasting me.
Robert?
Can we cook him?
We can.
Blasted meddling kids.
Groundhog Day, motherfucker.
Kids. And it would have been... Meddling
Meddling
kids.
kids.
Oh no!
Ian just jumped in, didn't he?
We had a plan. He's not even supposed to be there. What's the deal?
Oh, what's the deal? He's nobody special. What's the deal? He's nobody special. Try to stir up somebody.
What does that no-cow figure's doing?
I'm doing the only right thing. I'm stopping you.
You fool! You've seen your little match for me.
I might just be a pothole in the road to you, big guy. But it's going to be one heck of a deep pothole. Take this, you! Run beam! The sun brings out the best in us.
What does that no-cow figure's doing?
I'm doing the only right thing. I'm stopping you.
You fool! You've seen your little match for me.
I might just be a pothole in the road to you, big guy. But it's going to be one heck of a deep pothole. Take this, you! Run beam!
What does that no-cow figure's doing?
We can try, we can try, we can try. We can try, we can try, we can try. Wombat, what's your skiing skills? What's your swing skills like? We can try, we can try, we can try. You can try. Float across the Tasman Sea, come battle me. Float across the Tasman Sea and come battle me. Yeah. You stand in the box. You stand in the box in a stand. Pretend you're a piece of taxidermy. Taxidermy say, "Ah, don't disturb me. You're gonna meet Tar, he wants to learn me. You're gonna meet Tar, he wants to learn me." El solo mio, where the possum went, yo, where the possum don't met, yo, El solo mio, there's no solo mio, oh, gone, they're gone, El solo mio, El solo mio, lost the solo mio, El solo mio, three people blasting with shotgun in a raincoat. Running J, dropping J, there's no flow, dropping J, there's no one around to show, dropping flow. Drop, burn, drop, can't serve, you've got the room, drop, burn, 100 loose, 100 worms, hang around in the bivouac, oh, do a whack, act and burn, passive burn. 100 million ants tangling in a fucking ball in a bivouac, it works. Mr. Worm, the perm, I'm to perm, the worm, Mr. Worm. 20 boom, take her uppercut, 3 boom, hype her uppercut, Sonny boom, worthless. Where's Wombat when we surface? What's worth shit? What's shit, Wombat? When we gonna grab forward, Wombat forward. What are we gonna go forward? To breathe the cannonball. D-Master, C-Master, T-Master, C-Master, son. Who's a fucker, T-Master 1. I rise with the demon, I'm the devious one. C-Master, son. Who's a fucking Mr. Master, who's after one. Here it goes, if I'm coming, I'm a tongue, after spit the spike tongue. Jungle rum, the jungle come.
Tapping the jungle drums,
jungle drums are drumming. Ah, here it comes, Task coming, Task coming. Ah, we want the freak comes out, the freak comes out. Wombat highs, Wombat highs.
The beast coming out because white eyes creep around trees and watch me sleep at night. The beast come out,
the beast come out, Wombat high, the Wombat high, the beast is out, Wombat high. Where's the Wombat? King Trout, King Trout, King Trout, King Trout, King Trout, King Trout, Task, King Trout, King Trout, don't fuck with Task now.
Speak yourself,
Speak yourself,
don't say shit, don't reply to Task.
Don't reply to Task, you know, bad deal.
Task will go away, no, we won't know.
We'll go away, no, we won't know. Come back, where's Wombat? Where's Wombat?
Come back and chat. You come back and make a piss, please. I need this shit, man. Don't really make me angry with fucking funny. You don't pay everything. Oh,
you see me coming.
You just can't straight the burn anyway.
Oh, better be everything.
You ever walk and keep you doing shit? You ever walk and keep you doing shit? She can't get torture. She reports her.
Yeah, I report her.
You say you fucking out a stray animal. You raise you and report you out as PCA. I was PCA.
Groundhog Day, Groundhog Day.
I was PCA and I'm really to learn danger for your health. Task the hunter. That was still a ditch your pelt. Once you ditch your pelt, I'm that bad for your health. I'm full out PCA. I call myself on grey. Report myself on grey. Report myself on grey. On his dish with tags on red shit. Back with mountain, backflip, came back with tags, ate toys for breakfast. A few hours, I'll be
42, fucking M, you goose. M, please come down under. Majestic me, please, test your heart, come at me. And knock you from your pedestal, you pedestal. Is it me, put you on a pedestal, I'm calling you king. Am I an ass kisser, no motherfucker. Try and spit my verse back, your mouth get twisted. I've got the dries and spit in the fucking cotton mouth. That's what they call in Australia, you dumb cunt. I've got the fucking alcohol in the house. Spitting dry hard with fucking bottom mouth, dry tongue, my dry fucker in my mouth, my tongue sticking inside my tongue. My tongue sticking inside my mouth, I don't fucking care. So I'll burn out, leave a fucking tail, yeah. Twist your tail, death tails, that's all death by fucking death by racking tails, like a Hershey, death by tangled tails, death by tangled tails, again tails, or racking versus I'm the worst, I'm the worst. I'm out forever sleeping in the fucking beach, snatching purses. To back keeping snatching purses. Old bag snatcher, it's such a come at ya. Motherfucker, bad mouth, the impact, the bad snatcher. Oh, fuck, yeah, get fucked, fuck's my favourite word. Get fucked, you get fucked, fuck's my favourite word. I've got big vocabulary, big words, I've got big vocabulary, oh, fuck you. Don't let me fast hold that he goes. Don't fuck the task. You can't see how far he will go. Raise me fast. Womat's going higher. Don't fuck the hose. Don't fuck the task. Don't fuck the task. Don't go near the task. Don't fuck what you do. Stay out of earshot. Stay out of earshot and arm's length. Earshot and arm's length where you're gone. Where you're gone. From the jet you get wrecked. Stay at earshot and arm's length. At earshot and arm's length. Yeah, Womat's to get wrecked. Bob your head. He's got an objective. Wombat, Wombat. Linguistic perfection. You get rejection. Should be dirty fucking gay. Wombat, we're in the Richie's ass. He's got bees, mums in a hive. You're hiding behind his hive. Don't let me fast hold. Don't fuck with task in those hands. Don't let me fast hold. Don't fuck with task in those hands. Fucking I don't raise me fuck. Like I'm fucking the task in that. Fucking buzzers, get on the buzzer, I burn toys, fucking rappers, get buzzers. Yeah, just uncovering, fuck this uncovering. Oh my god, I got buzzers, coming in abundance. Fuck feel the suction. Gold Coast South Side, it's what they call northern disruption. Northern discomfort. Fuck where did he come from? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Wombat makes me happy when times are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.
Lock your door, lock your door. 9, 10,
fucking lock your door. Sit home, 9, 10, and lock your door. Backpedal some more. 9, 10, try some more. Sit home, backpedal some more. Backpedal some more. Sit back and reflect some more. Sit back, reflect some more. Record. Listen some more. Using your own words, reflect some more. Backpedal, record. Backpedal, record, reflect.
Stop. They break my ball. Will ever kill me.
Yeah, backpedal, record, backpedal, report, backpedal, report, record, backpedal, repent, pretend, backpedal, repent, pretend, deflect, backpedal, repent, pretend, deflect, backpedal, pretend, miss me, did you miss me? Nah, you ain't see me, you just got my gift comes with my present, my gift comes late, sorry, belated Christmas, belated present, my gift comes wrapped tight, sorry, a belated present, my gift given, nah, it's a gift horse, you to a mouth for it, you spat in the mouth of a fucking gift horse.
Before I even spoke, what's going on with that bloke?
What's going on with that bloke? Where are we going? McAndrews. Can I come? Ha ha ha. No. Come on, William. I can fight. I know you can fight, boy. But it's our wits that make us men. It's our wits that make us men.
They break my ball.
But nothing will ever kill Tusker.
Yeah, nothing will ever kill me, nothing will ever chill me, nothing will ever thrill me. You can't feel me, you can't derail me, you can't belittle me. Test my character's flawless. I ain't fucked the cunt around in years, I ain't broken the law, I'm breaking the law, that's yours. I broke the law of physics, I broke the law of water, law of water. Sorry for my insubordinates, can't you ain't important shit. Ain't important shit, my insubordinates, no cut nose, ain't important shit. It's all by myself, no cut nose. It's all about nose, it's fucking with your mental health. I look inside your eyes and I can see you, sir. I can see you hurt, sir. I can see you hurt, sir. I can see up your skirt.
Shit, man. You ain't test, I'm questioning your chest. You ain't testing, I'm testing your chest. I ain't testing, I'm questioning your chest. I'm the only one in Australia who knows about you. I'm the only one who knows about you. I mean, nobody knows what there's between me and you. Nobody knows what went on between me and you. Now I'm getting dry, I need a drink, it's true. I need a drink, it's true. I don't know if I haven't had a drink in a few hours, it's true. I've been up for a few hours, 3 hours, it's true. I'm a guy, I'm confused, I'm across wide, and I'm confused with you. Come through me, talk to me personally, please. If you don't cease and desist, man. And I misbelieve. Yeah, my respect is hardly gained, my respect is loyalty. It's all fucking loyalty. Ask. Special K. Loyalty, ask, Special K. Oh, fuck up. With a dirty bastard, what are you talking about? Custody like a drill. Bit of movement and shit. Jumped in puddles. Now, who just done my pieces? Let's dumb cunt out. I've gone like a man.
Man, like a manatee. Motherfucker, mum, you can't handle me. What is a tune? I dropped it. And something's gone, yeah, gone like a tune, gone like a tune, gone like a tune. Oh! Like, that's been doing it again. Checked my phone, just took this one off me. And she's been doing it a lot. It's just fucking taking it. It's not gonna let me play it. She's been deleting shit by itself.
Coming at you exclusively up the cage. I wasn't gonna rap, I don't care, mate. I was gonna keep it quiet, it's all been for me, I don't care before. I'm a motherfucker, I swing my same swords. I swing my same sword, I come at your sport, and swing it towards the next lords. Swing my same swords like a broadsword. Heads will fall and roll. Heads will fall, can't you been told? Who's crossing that bridge? Fuck you, Wombat. Who's crossing my bridge? I still pass you. Who's crossing my pass you? I too good for you, you fool, you goose, you goon. Who's ocean wisdom? Fuck ocean wisdom in my fucking river, in my Please, man, it's not fair. Please, man, it's not fair. It continues. Oh my god, it's not fair. It's not fucking fair. Oh, so long. So boom. The fuck out of here. Take it down another avenue. It's dark down that hallway. Get down the hallway. Get away from that hallway. You don't deserve me. Hallway. Yeah, I'm sorry. I stick that. I don't see pig Latin. You're a pig Latin. No, I'm going to stay. You don't even want to damage. That shit's parent. Fuck me. I don't know real parent.
He killed my father, my forefather. I love my father. I didn't know my father really, never spoke to me, would you believe? He had no fucking time in his life, he had no fucking time for me. He got my brother, he's a sucker, he's a sucker. My father was a hard working man, he was a hard working man. My brother never worked fucking day in his life. I slipped on my feet, come eggs, slipped on my feet. Oh, space. I slipped onto your door and I fucking beat with this shovel. He wants to roll me.
This one just got stolen. This one just got taken. Lost it.
Robbie?
Fucking.
Robbie? We cook him.
Haha. I don't know. That people. A few minutes gone, a few minutes gone, a few minutes gone, a few minutes gone.
Robbie?
Couple of minutes lost now. What's gone wrong? Can we cook him? I don't know. Can we cook him? Possibly possum. Possibly possum. Where's all my fucking shit gone? They're all, I know it. I know way, cunt.
Rap. We are gon' rap, you gon' rap, but come back, please, zombie man. Zombie man, where you gon' goddamn zombie man,
Zombie man.
I'll bust you like a toothpick, I'll fuck you.
Where you gone?
Hang on like a break if you
Where you gone? Where you gone? Where you gone? I'm old.
Clip is your money, clip is funny.
Where you gone? Where you gone? You wanna make dough? Make dough, make dough, make dough, make dough. Make hay with the sunshine zone. Task is just a bouncy dog. Task is just a painter. Task is just a painter. I don't know, you tell me, mate. Hey, Mr. Rapstar, Mr. Rapper, Mr. Rapstar. What do I do when I'm bored? Am I a rapper? Does that mean I rap? Do I rap? Do I rap? Do I know? Sorry, Mr. Rapper, I'm not as dope as you. Sorry, Mr. Rapper, I'm not as dope as you. I'm not as dope as I want to be. I'm not as dope as I want to be, unfortunately. I don't carry the sound, I don't sound stage like you, matey. I don't sound stage, pass, you can't. I don't draw crowds, I don't draw crowds, I draw crowds that comes to the whack. I don't draw crowds that comes to the whack. They got no style, they got no style themselves. They don't love themselves with new shit. They just like following trends, they like the shit to someone else, they like it like this. You know what I mean, Not even in my wildest dreams, I do what you do, get on the scene, stand on the stage and sing like every king. You sing songs. Something's gone wrong with all this stuff, you've gone wrong. Something's gone wrong, my thing's not going on, it's not playing my song.
My operation minutes funny man. Pulled out a fucking body pass, this priceless and he showed me, god damn. I woke up on a fucking bench, I couldn't feel shit.
My rapper, that me.
I don't know, you have to be in tour. In tour, go way back before motor.
Do I speak
Pull my body around. Pull my body around.
Am I?
I'll never describe, I've never seen this human eyes.
Do.
Man with torn pants. Leaking constant shit out underpants. They're all black men, followed by ants. Power Prancer. Santa Claus. I got presents for you, Be down like my presents. I come with rap presents for you, perfect rap present for you. Don't want my presents, you're gone, you goose. Where you gone back? Anything about you gone back? No excuse. The gift that keeps giving, every day you're living. The gift that keeps giving, I'm watching on YouTube, saying shit. You don't see my comments. Where you gonna, bro, get a life set to make it a life? You should be coming in front of me. You got me out the fucking life. We were about my knife, I thought. I've been right for years. You can't even stir me back. Get up, sport. Get up, sport. Shrinking violent, guitar, and peers. Fucking hell, the scene's full of fugazes.
Philistines. What the fuck? What's a Philistine?
Fallacy. What's a fallacy?
No, what the fuck's a Philistine?
He's a poser. He's a poser. I used to know ya. He's a poser. $3 a month in my hand. It's new dimensions, stealing cars, and I think it's fucking hard. It's a hard one, and you're stealing cars. I was the type of cunt that got done for a professional job. Oh, well, we cut the alarms. Professional job on South Fury, never know, You know, right my face, really would have checked by the police. I was a cunt, do a proper job and cut the fucking alarms.
Be alarmed.
Be alarmed. Yeah, my disappearance. Yeah, my disappearance, can't be fearing. Oh, my disappearance.
An army would land.
An army would land.
A warrior would appear.
A warrior would fucking appear.
With a hologram.
The shield forces.
First of all,
hologram forces harm his palm.
Where's Tusker?
Where's Tusker?
Where's Tusker?
I'm gonna take over. Feed the young ones.
His whole.
His whole. He can feed the young ones. We defeat evil. We deceitful. He's deceitful. Nah, he's a bad guy. He's an angel. He's fallen angel. He's evil. Yin and yang. Yin and yang. Bars in the bank. Yeah, bars in the bank. What power, where it come from? Where does it come from, cunt? Oh my god, where does the love come from, cunt? Don't watch me from above, so we can't watch me like a dance, so watch me like a dance. Motherfuckers, you gotta try and care, cunt. We're gonna give a bomb, man. We're gonna give a bomb to this cunt. We're gonna give a bomb to this cunt. I don't want to. Fuck the police, say like me. Oh my god, chase my blue, chase my blue. Chase my blue, come through. He's got skill, he's here, we're the fucking guy on the every day, he's some black man, never comes to war. You can go, man. He's walking up, he's got a sword. He walks like a man with a stick, and a stick. Oh my god. Picture a priest backing down, praying for me. Picture a priest backing down, praying for me. Oh my god,
Oh no, Wombat, I'm getting bored now. You're gonna play away to go, oh no, Wombat, I'm bored, mate. You get me back, you never got back to me, you never replied, You threatened me, you challenged me. I told me I'm a rap, mate. This is what I do to fucking amuse myself. Don't like, don't share, I don't fucking care, I don't give a fuck what's wrong with them. Oh, don't buy me a train, sing a track to it all. Don't buy me a train, sing a track to it all. Not at all. I'm gonna have a fucking desire to rise and all. I don't give a fuck, I don't wanna rise, If you rise against me on a stage, guarantee you'd fall. You'd fucking fall. You fool. Wombat, you wrong, great. Give me back, dickhead. See you, princess.